So in this short video at Dublin Airport, I'm going to explain how our infrastructure works. And using AI. So personally, I'll use ChatGPT for myself and Zoom. And that will then feed into the MAUNi ecosystem, the environment that we have where we bring in all our knowledge base, and that is based on Google Meets, and we use Gemini and various Google tools to extrapolate wisdom and data from that. And the reason that we're doing that is it brings in HIPAA compliance, confidentiality, and all that sort of stuff. So if you're inside the UAC system, you must implement two-factor authentication, and it's just the professional thing to do. So if you haven't implemented that yet, get that sorted. I don't want to have to repeat that again. We're a professional organization. These things need to happen. The next thing I want to talk about is how we're using technology to enhance treatment outcomes, to improve our trainings, and to increase professional credibility. So unfortunately, because a lot of us have lived experience, we have to be hyper vigilant around professional credibility because of stigma. And in South Africa, historically, because of the legacy of apartheid, one of the downsides of apartheid was that the belief was, it's a false belief, but the belief was that the local population was stupid. So if you weren't white and English or white and Afrikaans, the system was set up in a way that you were given messages that you were stupid. And we can see the same thing with people with addiction treatment or in recovery. There's a huge stigma. It's called an external oppression onto people that learn differently. And we have to constantly battle against that. And then we have to battle against our own internal oppression, where we believe what we were told. So we believe that we were stupid. We believe that we're not good enough. We believe that we don't have the qualifications or the paperwork, the right to actually go out there and make a difference in the world. So this makes us, and certainly me, hyper vigilant in this area to actually go that much further, and which is great from a productivity perspective, because I really think our offering and our trainings and the way that we make use of technology and the way that we survive in this stuff is pretty impressive and creative. If I compare it to other organizations and charities, and often commercial organizations, but it is a very tricky dance, and it is a fine line. I also want to keep these videos quite short so that we don't exhaust the people that are watching it. So rule of thumb, video shouldn't be longer than 4 minutes. I've just gone 4 minutes 7 seconds. Goodbye.